Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Eric Anderson. I am one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you out on our lot today and show you one of our Sparks certified vehicles. Our certified vehicles include a 7-year or 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. Let's take a look. Here we have a 2017 Cadillac XT5 Luxury. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes equipped with power heated auto dimming side mirrors, roof rails, deep tinted glass, and much more. Cadillac's latest crossover is as easy on the road as it is on the eyes, providing a quiet ride that strikes a good balance between feedback and comfort. This Cadillac has 18-inch bright machine-faced alloyed wheels and all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a tire inflation kit and a tire pressure monitoring system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Cadillac is in great condition. It has a very clear automatic halogen headlamps along with LED daytime running lights, rain sensing wipers, and a really nice chrome grille with the iconic Cadillac emblem to tie it all together. Under the hood you have a 6-cylinder 3.6 liter engine with automatic transmission. This Cadillac has front wheel drive, and it is estimated that drivers will receive 22 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this Cadillac has only 8,756 miles on it. At the back of the Cadillac you can see the antenna, the rear spoiler, large brake lights, and sleek chrome badging. Using your key fob you can open the power lift gate for easy access to the cargo area. Looking to the cargo area, you can see that it's very spacious and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. This cargo area also features a cargo management system, a cargo cover, and lights for packing and unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice that this Cadillac has been very well taken care of. Passengers can use the fold-down armrest with cup holders and the power outlet, as well as the seat back storage. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with a nice silver and chrome interior accents. Drivers will be very comfortable in the power adjustable and heated leather seating with memory. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This Cadillac is also equipped with a locking glove box, an electronic parking brake, and a push-button start. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the driver's seat memory, the electronic parking brake, the power lift gate, the programmable power door locks with lockout protection, and the power windows with express down. This Cadillac has a very comfortable power tilting and telescoping heated leather wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well lit instrument cluster. Now here's a feature everyone can enjoy, the power tilting and sliding dual moonroof. The center stack is home to your entertainment and navigation features and is paired with 8 premium Bose speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio. It's Sirius XM, Android Auto, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and auxiliary ports. This advanced system even has voice recognition. You also have a dual zone automatic climate controls, and everything you see here is easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. Thank you for watching. Again, this is a Sparks certified vehicle which includes 7 years or 100,000 miles limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended services. It also includes a 160-point quality inspection by Toyota certified technicians, a lifetime Sparks Preferred Customer Program membership, a lifetime 10% loyalty parts and service discount, lifetime complimentary rental cars for any service over $400, a lifetime of discounted pickup and delivery for any service work here at Sparks, lifetime complimentary recall checks and Carfax reports, as well as the lifetime vehicle exchange program. We will buy your car anytime. If you have any questions, give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.